Yeah, with this raptor, we got a complete motor right here. We're gonna swap it out because it got this big, crazy hole in it. You can see the transmission and everything. But we're gonna get them right. Got the motor in and everything. Now we're gonna do a valve adjustment. If you can see, his valves is way too loose, and that could cause the motor to have a ticking noise coming from the valves. Yeah, now you can see the valves is adjusted perfect. They don't got too much play, so it's not gonna have that tapping or ticking noise coming from it.